The Africa Digital Media Institute has been here for 12 years. We train creatives and techies on how to turn their passion into profession. We have trained over 4,000 students here in our space over the last 12 years, offering certificates, diploma, and soon offering degrees coming soon. For today, though, that's not our focus. Our focus today is on something different. I'm sure you saw the poster, you got excited, you signed up for it, and that's why we are here, right? So, Africa Digital Media has partnered with World Data Lab to bring together today's program. So I want to introduce the speakers that we have for today, because today is really their day, and we are here to learn. Personally, I signed up also to learn, because I'm very excited about this.
Hello, good morning everyone. It's really a pleasure to be with you all today, and really credit to you to making time on a Saturday morning. It just shows your dedication and your commitment to learning to be here today and to join us for this session. So, it's really a pleasure to welcome you all to this data visualization and storytelling workshop.
Thank you so much, ADMI team. You'll hear a lot from your compatriot Sajni in a minute. I want to say a few additional things and do one cool thing that you are the leaders in the world, and you may not know yet. As Reshma said, we're also expanding. We look for talent. I hope ADMI is a good place to look for that.